So to begin with, I located where my project files are, selected a background and then placed embedded. I added the name of the church using Montserrat as my first typeface. Customizing your typefaces in a design could help make your design stand out, so I decided to eliminate one O in the crossover text and then extend the O, the first O, to cover up the second one. I went on adding gradients of yellow and white, making the text stand out. There are diverse ways of getting rid of image backgrounds in Photoshop, but I decided to use the pen tool due to its precision. After positioning the crossover text and the image to align well, I then used a soft round brush, and with the help of the layer mask option in Photoshop, I faded part of the image into the background. Since adding filters to make the photo very vibrant and bright became necessary, I used the high pass filter in Photoshop and then changed the blending options to hard light. I proceeded to add in certain essential elements to the design, such as contact details, the venue and time of the program. As we approach to the end of this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, as this will aid me provide more content of this sort. And please don't forget to smash the bell button in order for you to get notification whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for staying up to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Bye.